We often think building good habits is about willpower, but psychology shows it's more about strategy. Habits are the brain's way of conserving energy. When a behavior becomes automatic, it requires little conscious effort. But forming these automatic behaviors takes deliberate action. It starts with a trigger, a cue that signals the brain to start a behavior. For example, brushing your teeth after waking up. The next step is routine, the actual behavior. Finally, there's the reward, a feeling of success or relief that reinforces the habit loop. James Clear's Atomic Habits outlines how small changes compound over time. Tiny habits create identity shifts. You become the type of person who follows through. Consistency is crucial. Missing once is fine, but missing multiple times weakens the pattern. Design your environment to make good habits easier and bad habits harder. Make habits obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. Want to exercise more? Leave your workout clothes visible. Want to read more? Keep books within reach. Another key is habit stacking, linking a new habit to an existing one. After making coffee, write down one goal for the day. This leverages existing routines to anchor new behaviors. Understanding how habits form allows you to engineer your environment, your identity, and your future. Building lasting habits isn't about changing your life overnight. It's about small wins repeated consistently over time. Master your habits, and you master your destiny. Subscribe to MindSpark TV for more psychology-based self-improvement strategies.